This Icarus system is capable of hijacking drones or anything remotely controlled employing the DSMX protocol. Not a jammer, it is capable of complete remote takeover, delivering piloting control to the attacker. Icarus is capable of recording the unique ID of any DSMX transmitter it detects. A real-time clock associates an accurate time to detected activity. The upper display shows the target's transmitter ID, as well as technical parameters about the target and host control system. The top portion of the lower display shows DSMX transmissions by the device as they occur in real time. As DSMX is a frequency hopping protocol, this produces a pattern unique to each hijacked target. The bottom portion of the lower display shows decoded PPM input from the host control system, much like a servo monitor in a standard radio. The RF subsystem is a standard offering similar to what is present in a typical hobbyist transmitter. As this device exploits digital protocol and timing vulnerabilities, RF amplification and the associated power consumption and regulatory issues are avoided. The drone operator begins flight. The drone operator has full control of the craft. The attacker notices the invading drone and activates Icarus. Icarus has detected the target transmitter, decoded the necessary DSMX parameters of the target, initiated the hijack sequence, and begun transmitting the attacker's control input. The attacker has now gained full remote flight capabilities, while the target is experiencing a complete lack of response to control input. The attacker now has full control of the craft. The hijack is complete.